Students, we are on paragraph number 6. Let's discuss the difficult words we can find out in this paragraph. Then the first word is recover. Recover means to return to normal state of health. किसी भी डिजीज से, किसी भी एक्सीडेंट से अपनी दोबारा नॉर्मल हालत में आने को रिकवरी कहते हैं. देन वी हैव मिजरेबल. मिजरेबल वी कैन से अनहैप्पी कंडीशंस और नॉट नॉर्मल कंडीशंस. Then we have stance. Stance means point of view, or we can say personal thoughts. Gradually means slowly, or we can say हम जब gradual means कहते हैं step by step. Then we have slight. Slight is something which is small in scale. Then the last is thrill. Thrill means feeling of excitement. Students, in paragraph number 6, our narrator means nurse Rahila start working on her patient Hira. She regularly did proper movement exercise of her joints, but unfortunately she was not making any prominent recovery. Even nurse Rahila started feeling hopeless as she could not do anything except to see her laying on bed in bad condition. Nurse Rahila was afraid that whether she could prove her viewpoint regarding Hira before senior doctor or not. But eventually she didn't lose her hope और आखिरकार नर्स राहिला की मेहनत रंग लाई और हिरा ने सबसे पहले अपनी फिंगर को लिफ्ट किया. जब नर्स राहिला को इस मूवमेंट का इल्म हुआ तो उनकी एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा थी और आखिरकार उन्हें उस जो उम्मीद की किरण थी उस पर कामयाबी मिल चुकी थी. Now she believed that all is not lost and Hira can recover in her normal condition, or we can say in her normal health as well. So student, this was all in this paragraph, that how nurse Rahila worked hard for the recovery of her patient Hira. She made regular exercises on her body and finally she got some movement from Hira, which is we can say आखिर में जिसकी उम्मीद की किरण पे काम करने के बाद नर्स राहिला को एक कामयाबी मिल जाती है उसकी हेल्थ पे. This was we can say all in this paragraph. Now let's move to paragraph number 7.